My name is Wally Talon. I'm with the Jambalaya Festival out of Gonzales, Louisiana. And we're gonna do a jambalaya with about 10 pounds of rice and 20 pounds of meat. This is pork. What I do, I have an overall measurement from the top of this pot, because I'm doing the same amount of meat, onions, and sausage all the time. I just separate the meat, spread it out, that way it'll cook a little better. I'm adding the onion, and I'm just wilt them down, get most of the water out of them. Stir the meat and the onions together. The heat is starting to get brown on the side, like this, but I gotta keep scraping it off. So if you let it sit there, it'll build up and then it'll flake up with black flakes all in the jambalaya. 5 pounds of pork sausage cut up. We do the same thing as what we did with originally with the pork and the onions. Salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and granulated garlic. Bringing it up to 3.5 inches from the top. That's the water level I need in order to add the rice. But you want to take the excess grease off. Just checking to see if the salt and the pepper is good before you put the rice in. See, after stirring for about 7 minutes, the rice should start coming to the top, floating to the top. And you gotta keep stirring it, keep it off the bottom so it don't stick. You gotta get most of the water. Let the rice absorb most of the water. Okay, we're putting the lid on now. We'll check it again in about 20 minutes after we let it sit for a while, about 20 minutes with the fire on, and we'll see about turning it over. Bottom on the top and spread it out, and maybe have to do some more cooking after.